Good morning, children. As in the previous classes, we have studied about the important latitudes and longitudes that we can find once again here. The largest latitude or the biggest latitude which is passing through the center of the earth is the equator. There are 90 latitudes in the northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes in the southern hemisphere. And these are the other important latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, 23.5 degree. Tropic of Capricorn in 23.5 degrees south latitude, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north latitude, Antarctic Circle is 66.5 degree south latitude. Today's topic is the heat zones of the earth. Which are the regions or the climate zones or temperature zones? So we can say heat zones, climatic zones or temperature zones. So these are the three names we often say about the heat zones of the earth. Which regions? According to the climatic regions, climates found in different parts of the earth, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, north pole and south pole, equatorial regions. We know that there are differences in climatic conditions. So according to these differences in climate, we divide the regions into three climatic zones. So the midday, that means exactly 12 o'clock at noon, sun is exactly overhead at least once in a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. See here, when we are in our country in India, at noon time by 12 o'clock we can find the sun is straightly overhead. There will be no shadow of any object. When we are standing in the sunlight by 12 o'clock noon time, we can find no shadow. In the morning we can find our shadow towards the west, and in the evening our shadow falls towards the east direction also. But at noon time there is no shadow, sun shines vertically overhead. And here this happens not all over the earth, okay, not on the in the Arctic Circle or Antarctic Circle also. Instead we can find only this happen, the sun shines overhead in the midday between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. See this region, it is equator passing through the center, Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. In between this region we can find the sun shines overhead in all the latitudes between these regions at least once a year. So this region, the area therefore receives the maximum heat. Okay, so this region gets a maximum heat and a very hot region from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. This region is called torrid zone. This region is called torrid zone. So, which means it is extreme hot regions. Okay, extreme hot regions. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and beyond the Tropic of Capricorn. That means in this region, from this region and here also from Tropic of Capricorn to South Pole, Tropic of Cancer to North Pole. These regions, it does not, never sun shines overhead and these regions, okay, because it is slanting position, sunlight falls slantingly all these regions, not vertical or not straight. So these regions beyond the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere, angle of sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. Sun rays are falling very, as we can find here, sun rays falls slantingly. Okay. Now the equatorial region or the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, sunlight falls vertically or straight. Other polar regions of the southern and northern regions of the earth, sun rays goes on decreasing. As such, the areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, we can find here. So between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. Okay, so here these regions we can take example. example. This side also we never get sunlight, very less period in a year sunlight is getting. So these regions especially we can find these all regions slanting position only sunlight falls. Especially these region, and we can take the example Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. These regions in both hemispheres have a moderate temperature, not an extreme. Okay. Not very hot, not very cold regions. We are taking the example Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. These regions sunlight falls slantingly. Okay, not receiving much sunlight and sunlight falls slantingly. This has a moderate climate. Okay, moderate temperature or moderate climate we call as temperate zone. Torrid zone, now temperate zone. Don't be confused with temperature and temperature. This region, why it is called a temperate zone? Because here there is a moderate climate. Okay, this is called the temperate zone, and this region is called the torrid zone, extreme hot climate. Now coming to the extreme north and southern part of the earth, here area lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. These two regions we know it's also very cold, extreme climate, very cold. The torrid zone is very hot, temperate zone is moderate climate, but the Arctic Circle, this region from Arctic Circle to the North Pole, Antarctic Circle to South Pole, these regions have extreme cold. So that it is because the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Here sun rays fall very less, okay, not much on these two polar regions or these regions. So that it is extreme cold, sunlight of the sun rays are always landing, provides very less heat. So these regions are called frigid zone. What is frigid zone? Which means very cold region. Okay, so this is the frigid zone and temperate zone. This is the torrid zone. Torrid zone extreme cold, temperate zone moderate climate, frigid zone has extreme cold climate. Now that's all for today. Tomorrow we will study what are longitudes. We have already studied what are latitudes. Now coming to next topic, what are longitudes in the next class. Thank you.